Hey guys, and welcome to another video on this channel, and today we check out the special video for Fromistnine's B-side Airplane Mode. So Fromistnine, as we know, is really passionate in the fact that they are going to promote their B-sides, and they are doing this with special videos most of the time. So yeah, this time of course they are doing this again, but they are stepping a game up, or the game up. Cause they are going for a 360 video, what means you have the video where you can just swipe the video through the video as it would be a room, and you would stay in the middle, you can watch around, and yeah, I'm really curious how this is going to be in airplane mode. I don't know yet, I haven't watched it, so I'm really curious. And I would say we just started now, and then we will see how this is going to be. Airplane mode, special video. Okay, we start with serum. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, Hayan comes in. Oh, that's so cool. Morning, Jason. Cutie sitting there. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh! Hey, Jesus! I'm too overwhelmed. Oh, that's so funny. Hi, Cheong. Oh. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! These both. Oh! Oh my goodness! I'm so overwhelmed, guys! And was it already? Okay, guys. I mean, it will be hard for me to not to exactly watch the things I haven't seen, cause it was so much. But we are going to watch it definitely again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Jeez, why is this so fun? Oh jeez, this is so fun. Oh, this is literally stepping up the game. Serum. I will. Oh, she's so cute. I see. Oh, adorable. Oh my goodness. All right. Ooh. Hey girl. Oh. That's so cool. Guys, we need to watch just once more, cause I'm not full satisfied now. I need to watch a bit more.
Let's go. 원한 대로 끌린 대로 어디든 가고 싶잖아. 잠시 눈을 감아 지친 하루를 떠나볼까 어때?
Ah, so cute. Woo. And she's preparing. Cool. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, that's so good. Oh. Sorry, I'm... Oh, that's so adorable. Man, I'm dying. I'm dying so often.
싶어 이렇게 모든 게 거짓말처럼 go back 이젠 같은 시간 속에서 지금 이 순간은 birthday 내게로 찾아와
Ah.
꿈꿔왔던 곳으로 take you there
Cool. Whoa. So guys, that was airplane mode, a special video in 360 version. Wow. That was fun. And I will watch this even more without the video. Like as you guys did 100% as well. That is fucking. This is. Oh my goodness. This is from his reality simulator. You can't. Oh jeez. If they if they do some Promise in the House seasons with that in here that version, wow, that would be killing. But well, I'm just happy with that. If they are going to continue that with special videos, wow. Oh jeez, I will be so happy. Oh, for real, guys, that really made me happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Tell me in the comments what do you think about that video, about that idea with the 360 version, and yeah, just let us talk in the comments. What parts of the video you like the most? Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope we see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.